Today is the 21st of July, and I think this is going to be a pretty quick tour because everything's getting ripped out. We have only a few squash plants. We have a couple of those late tomatoes I planted, and they're making cherry tomatoes, but nothing much else. I harvested peppers. A lot of them had bugs on them, but hopefully I can get some sort of harvest off of them. The cucumbers, most of them are out now. I have only a few left because everything's gone bitter. We have melons that are struggling to be alive, but not ripe yet, so hopefully that can happen. We have this canary, some hoagans down here. The canary plant looks pretty rough. Hope it makes it. And the honeydews also look pretty rough. I'm pretty sure that's the honeydew in there, not... It might be this one, but I think it's the honeydew that looks rough. It's not the French cantaloupe. And then you can see some stuff on this one, that's another honeydew. I'm gonna sneeze. So, we got some melons. Everything's looking rough. All my flowers are falling over. I'm just about ready to rip up this whole garden. A possum messed up my netting. We've caught a few. I'm gonna sneeze again. All of these plants are riddled with disease. Again, just hoping I can get all of these green ones to ripen up before I have to pull out everything. I'm not even going to go down the aisles. Everything's rough. And everything's getting pretty bare. I pulled all the lettuce. And then we'll go look at the other garden. Okay. You'll see noodle beans on this side's done. This side's going to seed. I'm letting them dry. I'm gonna sneeze again. Lots of tomatoes have died. Lots of cucumbers have died. As they die, I pull them out. Went through here harvesting a bunch of tomatoes today. Pulled a bunch of tomatoes today. Let's go down another aisle. Again, catching possums and raccoons. The dry beans. I did the Great Northern, and on the end I did the navy. The black beans are still in the middle. These are just for seeds. I'm letting them grow and dry so I can have seeds to plant more next year. Green beans done. I've pulled tons of the yellow squash. Pulled some of these, most of them, the Texas pink eye. Still don't know what this plant is. The Mississippi purple hull are just about done. They'll probably get pulled the next day or two. Corn, I'm harvesting a little bit of okra, but it's still not doing as much as I expected okra to do. Potatoes are gone. This melon made 2. It's gone now. All of these are about to go because they're not really making anything anymore. All these are looking pretty sad. I just hope they last long enough to let all the fruit ripen. Pumpkin, there's a watermelon, some buttercup, another watermelon back there. Here's a bunch of sweet 100s, pumpkin. There are some hoagans in there, kajaris there, sweet dumplings. There's a lot more other stuff in there. See another watermelon there. Got some acorn squash in here. But yeah, the garden is dying out. So Thankfully, we're about to have a little break before the next garden.